Okay guys, so here we go. We're gonna do the video of ring muscle ups with Coach Ed, gymnastics coach.
Yep. All right, here we go, guys. Ring muscle up. Tips in under 2 minutes here. All right, we're going to talk about some of the basic positioning stuff here for ring muscle ups to get you guys going for 18-3. So one thing that we want to focus in on is the kip, our kip and our hips, right? Those are the two most important things we talk about when we're trying to transition into that front support on the rings here, okay? So let's get started here. First thing you really want to do is develop a really good back kip here, right? So as you can see here in the video, as we go down, we zoom in closer here, right? We really want to focus in on this back here, or the back part of our kip, because that's going to develop us really good hip motion in the front to allow us to get our hips close to the rings. As we start getting that hips close to the rings there, we can get that turnover to happen on top of the rings. All right, and then of course you have your dipping out of the rings. All right. As you go along here, right, the next portion of our muscle ups is the transition of the hands, right? So the hands, right, if we're not in that false grip, right, we want to have a high turnover, and that's where we're trying to get to. That's why the hips have to be up towards the rings to be able to get us that high turnover to transition from that hanging position to the front support. So if you notice here on the hands here, right, as we keep the rings nice and close to our body, the elbows are tracked inward, I'm able to get the hips under and turn over and step right into that bottom of our lowest dips and be able to press out here, guys. All right. Like I said, biggest things in the ring muscle ups is our hips and our kip. We can practice those things, and hopefully these tips will help you guys to learning the ring muscle ups for 18-3.
Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.